Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best way I think you can actually follow a trend. Okay, so this is a video that's going to explain how you can actually catch a trend and follow it. Okay, so it's a strategy whereby I teach you how you can join a moving trend. It could be an uptrend, okay, or a downtrend. So how are you going to engage the market if you're trying to catch a trend? All right, so in my experience, the best way by which you can actually engage a trending market is to wait for it after a pullback, okay, because you won't always be on your chart, so the trend might have started before you come on the chart. So how are you going to engage the market when the trend has already kicked off? Okay, so let me show you that. First, let me take these horizontal lines off the charts. Okay, so let's say we have an uptrend and market is giving us higher highs and higher lows, and you see something like this. This movement right here is a pullback. Okay, this movement right here is a pullback. This is also a pullback. So what you're aiming to do is to wait for the market at the pullback. Okay, so when market pulls back at this level right now, when it pulls back down like this, you don't place a pending order yet. Okay, what you want to see is you want to wait for price to come and break and close above that level. So once it closes above the level, you enter your buy trade. That's the best way to follow a trend. You enter your buy trade. So if you are a conservative trader, you might decide to wait for market to retest the broken resistance level before it actually takes off. Okay, you can do it that way. But if you're aggressive, once it closes above this pullback, you can enter immediately. Your stop loss can be a few pips below the candle that broke that level. Okay, so you can do it that way, because sometimes market does not retest. It might not retest this level. It can just decide to keep going depending on how strong the trend is. Okay, in the same vein, when you're dealing with a downtrend, you're going to have what? You're going to have lower highs and lower lows created like this. Okay, so all of these are pullbacks. All of these are pullback. This is a pullback right here. This is another pullback right here. Okay, so you have those pullbacks kicking in. All you just need to do is to wait for the market just at the level of those pullbacks right here and right here. So once a candle closes below that level, you enter a sell trade. That's the best way to catch a trend. Place your stop loss a few pips, above the candle that broke the level. So let's take a few examples. Now I'm gonna need my horizontal line. Okay, so what do you see on the screen? You see market kicking off an uptrend. Okay, so let's say when we came to the chart, this big uptrend has already started. You had bullish impulsive moves. Okay, so you had bullish impulsive move breaking this structure, telling us the market wants to kick off in the upward direction. Okay, it might be a short trend, it might be a longer trend, so it all depends, but you really want to just catch the trend. Okay, so when you have this pullback right here, that's where you're going to place your horizontal line. Look at this. So I place my horizontal line here, then I'll wait for a candle to close, to break that level and close above it before I enter. So you can see in this particular scenario, we didn't have a retest. Okay, market just continued going up, so I would have entered immediately after this candle closed. My SL is going to be below that level, so you have this, look at the way market moved in the upwards direction. Okay, so let's say you still did not catch that, then you came to the chart and noticed that, okay, this is really looking like a very impulsive upwards movement here. So you feel market could continue in the upwards direction and you want to join in. So what you do is this little retracement here, you take advantage of it. You place an horizontal line above it. Okay, right this way where the pullback started. Then you wait for a candle to close above that particular level. So that's where you look to do what? To take your trade to the upside. Okay, so you can see the way it moved up. I think this gave a retest. Yes, it gave a retest. So if you are the conservative trader, you would have had an opportunity to enter somewhere around here. Okay, let me zoom in. I don't think it touched the level. It did not touch the level. It came down, but it did not touch the level. Okay, so you wouldn't have been able to enter. Let me see. Okay, it didn't touch the level. Okay, so let's say you got to the chart and you can see this impulsive move and you still want to enter. You would have waited for the market to come and break and close above this level and see what happened. It broke and it closed above the level, but it did not play out, because if you entered after it closed, in order to move in the opposite direction, you can see what happened. It moved in the downward direction. Every trend has an end. Okay, so when it has gotten to its end, there is nothing else it can do but to reverse. Okay, but you would have caught a significant amount of pips, which would have helped you make money in the market. Okay, so basically what I tell people is, if a particular trend already has up to like 3 to 4 expansion phases, it becomes very risky for you to enter. You can see this trend as this is the first expansion phase, second expansion phase, third expansion phase, fourth expansion phase. So you coming to take advantage at this point where when it has expanded this much, it's actually risky. Okay, so if it has expanded that much, what is probably going to happen is that it is closer to its reversal point. So if you enter, even if it moves in your favor, it won't move in your favor for a long time. Okay, so you won't really catch much pips. You can just catch a few, and if you're not careful, it might reverse on you. Okay, so basically price started moving in the downward direction, so the opposite system is what we're going to use. You can see there's a pullback right here. Okay, wait for markets to break that level, and it broke and closed. It broke and closed below that level, and then if you entered immediately, you would have entered serious drawdown, because market went back to retest, and the retest was even a little bit messy. So if your SL was somewhere around here, your SL might have gotten it and you would have been taken out of the trade, only for markets to move impulsively in your direction. Okay, it happens sometimes. It's just trading. Okay, I believe this was a news day, that's why you have this crazy candle right here. Okay, so let's see if we have more. Okay, so our market started showing us higher highs and higher lows, so we want to get in somewhere. So I can place my horizontal line at this level, which is where I have these retracements. Okay, so once a candle breaks and closes above it, I'm entering a buy trade. As you can see, you might have done your analysis, and based on your analysis, you know that okay, for you to have this massive displacement, price will want to rebalance this this inefficiency right here. Price will want to rebalance it, because price always tends to rebalance its move. Okay, so you just want to enter in order for market to move up to this level. All right, because it has started showing you that it is time for an upwards movement to come in, so you want to join the party. Okay, so you can see what happened when the candle closed above. You entered, started moving in the opposite direction, putting you in profit. If you're a conservative trader, you can see what happened here. There was also a retest, so you could have entered on your retest and moved in the opposite direction. Okay, I believe you already understand the system I'm trying to explain right here. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. If you would like to get the master strategy, hit me up, absolutely available. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.